Good morning. It's Donald and Mary, and we're here to bring you a morning weather report from the North Georgia mountains. I'm going to start with the higher elevation weather, and after Mary will go ahead and tell you what's going on in the lower elevation. So today we're looking at a mostly sunny day with a high near 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Northwest wind around 20 miles per hour, gusts as high as 35 miles per hour. Tonight, it's going to be partly cloudy with a low around 24 degrees Fahrenheit. Northwest wind around 20 miles per hour with gusts as high as 35 miles per hour. It is 6:11 a.m. on 11/27/2023, and it is a Monday, right?
Yes.
All right, it's Monday. All right, so Mary's going to now go ahead and tell you what's going on with the lower elevation weather.
All right, Donald, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, everyone. Looking at 2,000 feet below here in Blairsville, it is 36 degrees out right now. Feels like 30. I stepped out the door for a minute. It is chilly, so you do need a coat outside if you're going to be going out. Today we're looking at a high of 42 degrees. Only a 2% chance of rain with a northwest wind of about 10 miles per hour. It's going to be mostly cloudy early, and then we're going to have some sunshine later on in the afternoon. Tonight, it's going to get down to 24 degrees, 3% chance of rain, and a northwest wind of 5 miles per hour. So it's going to be partly cloudy. So I would say bundle up for the night, stay warm. Donald, what else do we have going on out here?
So, water. What did you find out about
Well, water yesterday, the customer I brought back to his car from Neal Gap, I brought him back to Dick's, he was saying that from Woody Gap to Neal Gap, the only water source he was able to find was Lance Creek.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And that's from Woody to Neal?
That's from Woody to Neal, yes.
So it's pretty dry in that area?
Yes.
All right, wonderful.
And he said it was windy and he was getting off because he was cold. And he said he was the only one out there right now, too.
Yeah,
That's
it's
what
pretty.
he was telling me, yeah. So he was getting off mostly because he knew there was some rain coming and he was not wanting to get caught up in it.
That's what it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it's gonna rain, and it's hard to get dry out here, plus the cold temps. With gusts, so I'm looking at Tuesday and Wednesday, and it looks like the gusts of wind are getting up into the 40, 50 mile per hour range. And every day it is going to be down near freezing temps and below. So if you're coming out here, be prepared for the wet and cold weather. Even during the day, it looks like it's going to be cold. So that's what we have going on out here right now for weather, and water is definitely dry out here, so bring some extra water containers in the long stretches so you can carry some extra water. Fire, it is fire stuff, hazards. It is dry here in Georgia. We do have a fire ban, so just be really careful. I think it's, you can start a fire in a ring in designated areas, so I think you can have a fire, but you need to have a ring. I think you can have a camp stove also. So you can have that stuff, but only in designated areas, and be super careful, man. There's leaves everywhere.
And with the gusts that are coming like that, that'll grab that
Sure.
easily and run with it, no matter how careful you are. Sparks will fly.
That's right, man. That's right. All right, so that's what we have for news. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day, and if anyone needs anything at all, give us a jingle, and we'll do our best to assist you. Thanks. Peace. Thanks.